Hey guys, it's Mel. I just wanted to do a quick video today about a couple of loan programs that can offer great solutions for buyers who maybe aren't finding exactly what they want with resale. And maybe they're seeing houses that they like but need too much work, and maybe they're worried about what that cost would be. So one great solution for this is our new one-time close construction loan, which allows you to purchase land and build a house on it with as little as 5% down, which is pretty cool. And this is a new program for Fairway. We're really excited to roll it out. So definitely reach out to me if I can help walk you through how the one-time close works. But basically you get to lock in your permanent loan terms up front, so you're not having to worry about what rates do during construction, and it gives you some nice peace of mind with that. So anyways, I hope this was helpful, and have a great week, and we'll talk soon. Bye.